understanding the world of clinical research can be a bit overwhelming, but today I'm breaking it down for you. Let's dive into the roles and responsibilities in the clinical research profession. First up, the Clinical Research Coordinator, or CRC. CRCs are the backbone of clinical trials. They assist with patient recruitment and informed consent, coordinate study visits, and maintain essential documentation. They work closely with both investigators and participants, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Next, the Clinical Research Associate, or CRA. CRAs are the watchdogs of clinical trials. They monitor trial sites, verify data accuracy, and ensure regulatory compliance. Their key focus is the safety and well-being of study subjects. Then we have the Clinical Trial Manager. This role is about overseeing the entire operation of a clinical trial from start to finish. They manage budgets, timelines, and teams of CRAs, ensuring that each trial progresses efficiently. Moving up the ladder, we have the Clinical Project Manager. These folks manage multiple trials within a program and collaborate with cross-functional teams. They ensure that all trials align with the organizational goals and maintain a bird's-eye view of the projects. The Principal Investigator, or PI, is the head honcho of a clinical research study. They develop the study concept and protocol, supervise data collection and analysis, and present the findings. PIs bear the ultimate responsibility for the success and integrity of the study. Now, let's talk about study physicians. These medical doctors monitor and care for study participants, evaluate patient responses, and document any side effects. Their expertise ensures that participants are safe and that the study adheres to medical standards. Research nurses play a vital role too. They explain study details to patients and staff, assist with administering treatments, and monitor for side effects. They act as the bridge between the clinical staff and the participants. Biostatisticians are the data wizards. They design and analyze clinical trials, interpret data, and generate statistical reports. Their work helps translate raw data into meaningful conclusions. Medical writers are crucial for communication. They develop clinical and scientific documents, interpret complex trial data, and summarize it in an understandable way. Their work ensures that all findings are well documented and communicated. Regulatory affairs specialists are the compliance experts. They compile and submit regulatory documents, ensuring that the trial complies with all necessary regulations. Their vigilance helps keep the study on the right side of the law. Lastly, the data manager. This role involves overseeing data collection, cleaning, and database management. They ensure that data quality and standards are maintained throughout the trial. Each of these roles is crucial to the success of clinical research. By understanding who does what, you'll have a clearer picture of how clinical trials operate and how each team member contributes to advancing medical knowledge. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights into the medical world. Catch you next time!